Hi guys, hi. So today we are going to play a little bit with the paints, and I have created these flowers. Yes, and I want to make them look as if they are metallic and a little bit rusted. And let's see how this goes. Let's see how it goes. Yeah, we are going to play with the paints and with the flowers. Yeah. And first I am going to put a little bit of this blue color in here. Come on, come out, let's play. Yes, I should have lit a candle, but I haven't, so yeah, much faster. much faster. Yes, and I am going to paint them gingerly with this color, and then dry them and paint them with other colors. Oh, we are having dogs. We are having dogs. Okay, and they have a lot to say. What can I say? And I have tried to, I have glued some some glitter. I'm sorry, I was the dogs, they are deliciously. Okay, so I'm going to just let me, because I want to see the paper underneath. I want them to look metallic, but I would really like to have the paper underneath. Something around these lines. Yes. Oh, I have almost destroyed my. Okay, around these lines, like that. No worries. No worries. They don't have to be perfect. They just need to be tainted a little bit. I don't like the noise. Sometimes I enjoy that noise, but other times I am not. And yes, I am very well aware that I am applying the paint on my cutting mat, but it is what it is. Okay, the other two, actually they are four. They are four. I got a little bit stuck in my creativity. I don't know what has happened, but I needed time to reconnect with myself. So this is where I have been, and as I told you, I am going to have only 2 videos per week, because it has become too much for me and they are not bringing much to me. And I have discovered about myself that I'm having some sort of kind of anxiety when it comes to selling. I am ashamed to say that I'm selling my products, which is, it can seem stupid, but I am sure that there are other people that have this kind of anxiety, and if you are one of them, let me know. Let me know if you are having this kind of anxiety selling. Yeah. Strange. thing, but it is happening. And yeah, so how are you guys? How have you been? And speaking about selling, I'm going to let you write me, where are you from, what age are you. Excuse me, I have to close the window because there are people outside. It was really hot in Bucharest these days, and everybody stayed inside the houses, and now everybody is outside the house. Yes. And yeah, just a bit. And the other flower is where? Here. And I have just like so. And now they are not going to remain blue, they are going to be transformed into a copper goldish sheen, and this is it. And I don't know if I want to keep it like this. Let's try first on the margins and see. Yes, this is it. This is what I want. This is exactly and precisely what I want. And they look interesting, huh? They do look interesting, but I think that we are going to need to come with some black and to make those veins. Maybe, just maybe. Let me try a little bit of something. And I am well aware that I'm having too much water in here, but I have some paper in here, and I'm drying my brush, and maybe we can come and create some kind of messiness around, you know. I don't like I don't want them perfect. I want them messy. I want them messy. Yes, let's see what we can do with this one. And I am going to do my best. I will do my best to replicate whatever it is that I want to create. Yeah, so this is kind of it. I don't know what else I could tell you. I was busy working on myself. Yeah. So you see, now we have this metallic, and the blues are around. So it looks as if, and this This flower doesn't look like a flower, does it? Let's see if we can cut it a little bit more in here, this corner. I want to snap it a little bit more. And let's see what we can do. There you go. And now let's hope that it didn't grab. Oh well, now it looks more like a flower. Almost. Kinda sorta flowerish. Yes. And they are going to live on the page. Yes, I will continue to do this. And when they are ready to be glued, I will turn the camera on again, hopefully, and you will see me gluing them in the journal. Yes, yes, like that. And I like the strips and the texture that paint leaves on the paper, the brush. Okay, so I will be back. Righty guys, so I have dried them, and during the drying, one of the flowers, one of these big pieces of flower, it wanted to eat itself, so we are going to have two different flowers. And this is the journal that we are working in for the moment, and it looks like this. As you can see, it is a little bit dark-ish, and this is the page where I want to place the flowers, and I want them to be stuck in here like this. Can you see? Yes, you can see. Okay, so something like that. It is going to be one here like so, and one, this is smaller, and this one, it is going to be here, and yes, you can see it. Okay, and then in here we are going to draw a moon, a big moon, and yeah, it is going places. But let's glue these flowers before they decide to eat themselves. Oh my god. Yes, the glue. Where's the glue? Here's the glue. I am going to use silicone glue because I'm having some fabric in here. And the notebook, it is not sewn. It is hinged. Yes, this is the word. It is hinged. Okay, so now I am going to put the glue on and glue it down like that. There you go. And if it doesn't stay completely flat, I don't care. Maybe I can even, you know, curl it a little bit. Let's see. Let's see how, like so. There you go. There you go. Like that. And we are having two more for this flower. And I am going to glue only the middle of the flowers. And maybe I could have used a different color in there. Anyway, it doesn't matter. It doesn't matter. I love it anyway. Okay, And as you saw, maybe you saw that I do have a tweezer, but I don't like to use it. I like to use my hands. Sometimes you really need to. And look at this. It looks pretty. It is pretty. It is pretty. So I am going to glue this flower and I will be back to show you how it looks like. I'll be back. So this is it. Now it is complete. It is complete. It has the flowers. The flowers are on, and now I'm thinking that maybe I want some leaves around here, like that and like that. I will see. I will see. And I have created for it this base for a journaling card. Maybe it is going to be a journaling card, or maybe a pocket in here, like that. How does it look? Like it is too big. I don't like it like this. I like it more standing. But yeah, something around these lines. And yeah, something. We will see. I will show it to you when it is ready. Yes? Deal? Deal. See you again next time. I don't know when it is going to be. Maybe it is going to be tomorrow, but most probably it is going to be on Saturday. So I will see you on Saturday, and until then, you know what you have to do. Craft with joy. Until then, bye.